If you need to recover your Skype account, but no longer have access to the email associated with it, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Skype sign-in page. Go to the official Skype sign-in page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your Skype name or phone number. Input your Skype name or the phone number linked to your account. This will help identify your account for recovery. Step 3. Choose recovery method. Select the recovery method. If you have a phone number associated with your account, you can choose to receive a verification code via SMS. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your phone for the SMS and enter the verification code on the Skype recovery page. This will verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After following these steps, you should be able to access your Skype account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Skype support for further assistance.